Dynasty 2 Emperor. Alright, so you can look at this picture, and I will give you this construction is named Hoa Lung Ancient capital of Vietnam. So 10th century, 2 emperor to this area and build up a citadel surround here. But until Lý Emperor relocated the capital of Vietnam, he destroyed everything because he saw this area not good feng shui. And I will show you why this area not good feng shui. Do you know good feng shui, everyone? Good feng shui is bring the good thing, good luck for the house owner. If you build a house or if you build a construction, yeah. And the good feng shui is being the good thing, prosperity or longevity for the house owner. And surround here a lot of limestone mountains surround here. They build the citadel surround here. It's really easy to defend invader, destroy the citadel, but it's really difficult. It's really easy to defend invader, but it's really difficult to develop economic and finance. So that's why Lý Emperor relocated the capital of Vietnam. Đinh Emperor, he was born in 924 and he ascended the throne in 968, right over there. He very powerful. His battle never failed. And he ascended the throne in 968 because he defeated the other warlord and become to the first emperor in Vietnam in 968. He had 3 sons. The first son, his name Đinh Liễn. The second son, his name Đinh Hạ Lang. And the third son, his name Đinh Toại. So Đinh Emperor, he wanted to give the throne to the second son. However, the first son don't want to be that. First son killed younger brother. There is a Mandarin of Đinh Emperor. He betrayed him because that guy, he dreamed one star fell down to his mouth and he thought he can become the next emperor. And he killed Đinh Emperor and the first son. Just the third son survived. The third son survived. He was just 6 years old, very young. And so that's why Song dynasty comes from China. He decided to come to Vietnam and invade Vietnam because he saw emperor very young. So that's why the queen, mother of the king, she thought her son very young and cannot control. That's why she dethroned her son and gave the throne to Lê General. At that time, Lê Emperor, he just a general of Đinh Emperor. He just a commander-in-chief of Đinh Emperor. When Lê Emperor took over my country and he defeated the other, he defeated Song dynasty come from China. And Vietnam territory just reached out to the middle in 10th century. But until Lê Emperor relocated, when Lê Emperor took over my country and defeated Song dynasty come from China, and he expanded Vietnam territory, reached up to the south. So he was born in 941 and he ascended the throne in 979. Đinh dynasty just 12 years until Lê Emperor took over my country. His reign time 24 years. When he passed away, he wanted to give the throne to the first son because he doesn't want to get a bad situation like Đinh dynasty, because Đinh Emperor, he gives the throne to the second son. And Lê Emperor, he gives the throne to the first son. However, the second son don't want to be that. The second son killed elder brother. 2 dynasty very powerful but very complicated between the prince get the throne. They kill each other. Civil war. And the second son get the throne, but his reign time not long, just 4 years. And he got sick and he got cancer and he passed away. And there's no king at that time. We are the Mandarin. Both one Mandarin become to the kings. That is Lý Mandarin. When Lý Mandarin become to the kings, he get married with a princess of Lê Emperor. So Lê Emperor, he is a father-in-law of Lý Emperor. when Lý Emperor becomes the king, he relocated the capital of Vietnam because he saw this area not good feng shui. So that's why the prince, they kill each other to get the throne. So he moved to Hanoi because he saw Hanoi. It has a good feng shui to develop economic and finance, and it's really easy to connect to the other country. And he moved to Hanoi, and he took all of the valuable things of Silver Palace and Golden Palace of Lý Emperor and Đinh Emperor, and he destroyed everything, and he built one temple, worship two emperor. But until 17th century, Vietnam authority and Vietnam local people surround here built two temples separate to worship Đinh Emperor and Lê Emperor separate. But in the past, only one to worship two. But now, each temple worship each emperor, one dynasty, one temple, one emperor, one temple. And you can look at this mountain, look like a hot saddle. If you stand over there and look at this mountain, when you look to the other side over there, you can see this mountain look like a hot saddle, hot flat. Inside this mountain, there is Đinh Emperor tomb. They just opened the tomb in the festival time. The festival time on March 10 of lunar month. In solar calendar, it's about April, begin in the middle of April, or in the end of April, or beginning of May. Depends the year. And in the festival time, a lot of people come here praying to get a good luck, good thing for their family member. If they are old men or old people, they come here praying to get a good health. Because Đinh Emperor, he very strong. And some member, they are students. If the student, Vietnam student, come here, they are praying to get a high score at the school. If they are businessmen, they come here to get a lot of money for their business. And if they're working in Vietnam government, they come here to get a good promotion. Alright, so Vietnamese people divide two. Temple pagoda is different. Temple in Vietnam worshipping king, queen, prince, princess, or national hero in the temple. We call temple in Vietnamese, that is đền. And pagoda is different, worshipping Buddha. When you come inside the pagoda, you just see Buddha statue, or Buddhist monk, or Arahat statue, that is Buddha design. 10th century, most Vietnamese people follow Buddhism. 15th century, most Vietnamese people follow Taoism. We worship Confucius master. So Confucius master teach the people respect the other people. So when you visit South Korea, Japan, China, or Vietnam, you can see a lot of people often bow their body. Sorry, bow our body. It means we want to respect the other. We want to respect the person. Yeah. So that's why when you visit Vietnam, Japan, South Korea, or China, same culture. In 15th century, we follow Taoism. Until 19th century, we follow communism. Now, 85% Vietnamese people not follow any religion around the world. We are atheists. We're not follow any religion. But we still come in the pagoda or the temple or the church to visit around, or praying to get a good luck, good thing for our family member. And I think any religion around the world always teach the people doing a good thing, right? So Vietnamese people believe the law of cause and effect. You reap what you sow, and Vietnamese people believe karma. When you're doing good thing in life, and you have happy ending, and you have a good karma, so Vietnamese people believe it. All right, everyone. So now you can follow me, please.
But we only stay here for 1 year. You know why?
they are the warlord because they are 12 rebellion warlord at that time, and he defeats the other warlord and becomes the first emperor in Vietnam. And this picture, the queen Dương Vân Nga, she gives the throne to Lê General because when Lê General becomes the king, he defeats Song dynasty come from China. And that picture, Lý Emperor relocated the capital of Vietnam and moved to Hanoi. Anyway, if you wearing a short, so let's take a skirt over there to cover your leg, please, because we come into a secret area, worshipping emperor. So that's why we have to wear a long clothes when you come into the secret area. Same like if you visit Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, you have to wear a long clothes. If you wearing a short clothes, the guard not allow you to come in the mausoleum.
Hai ngôi đền này gần như là được xây dựng trên cái nền móng cung điện cũ ngày xưa ấy. Đúng đúng. Đúng rồi, mộ của cụ trên kia, mộ cụ trên đỉnh núi này. Mộ của Đinh Tiên rồi.
Alright, so if you are woman, if you wearing a clothes, yeah, so you can put a skirt over here to cover your leg, please. It's free.